Hello, I'm Patrick. I'm an Alexander teacher and a Buteyko practitioner, and I'm delighted to be working on the Exhale project. My background in music is as a horn player, singer, composer and conductor, and I work with musicians from all ages. I'm a member of staff at Chetham School of Music in Manchester, and I work with musicians at the Hallé, BBC Philharmonic, as well as students from the Royal Northern College of Music and Manchester University. I'm really excited to be working on the Exhale project, and I've called my work Mind Your Body. And in this I'll be looking at how the quality of your thinking affects the quality of your muscle tone. We'll be transforming reactions into responses, giving greater choice in the moment, creating more spontaneous music making. And in this I'll be looking at getting more from your muscles with your mind, exploring the connection between your face and your hands. And yes, your face is part of your instrument, whatever you play. In the light of this, I'll also be looking at thought processes to streamline how we learn music new to us and gain greater control of our hands. I'll also be looking at breath, how breathing happens, and how we can calm and energize ourselves in practice and performance. So I hope you'll join me on the Exhale.